What is up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Game & Watch Color Edition released in 2021. So this just slides out the actual box. So as you can tell, it's really different. Like here it looks like Mario, and then it shows like the original Game & Watch with ball on the front. Let's open it up. So on the side there is like a regular box, and on here it says a special thanks to you. Thanks, Nintendo. You're welcome. And then after that there is a pull tab, so we can just pull on that, and it's a bit hard, but then we get greeted with the charging cable, which is USB Type-C. And then we pull it out a bit more, and here we have the Nintendo Game & Watch. So let's take a look. So it's powered on. Guess it's opening up right on the time. And I have to say, the time looks pretty cool. But guys, because there's like a glare showing off the light, it looks a bit weird, but trust me, in real life, the screen looks nice. Now let's try a bit of gameplay. Let's try Super Mario Bros. Yes, it's pretty nice. And guys, yes, the clarity is better in real life there. That looks a bit better. Jump, jump. Just go, jump, and go left and right. Guys, this game's pretty fun. Now let's try Super Mario Bros. 2. Go here. Let's go. Jump. And if you guys didn't know, Super Mario Bros. 2 is referred to as Super Mario Bros. The Lost Level. And if you guys are wondering where the speakers is, it's over here on the side. And then on the other side, there is a power button and the USB Type-C charging. There's an A and B button, a pause button where you can like change the volume, a brightness button, and if you want you can reset the game. And then if you click this button, it's the time, and then the final button is the game. So now guys, the final game is ball. So I guess because this is like new, I need to play game A and B at first. So let's do this. So I guess ball is you have to move the hand using A and B or the keypads. So let's do this. No, I died. And guys, do you want to know a really quick Easter egg I found out? Well, if you guys go to the time and then hold A, and then if you guys just hold A for like 10 seconds, you can play the Mario drawing song. That's so cool, right? Let's listen to it. And draw a big mushroom. Oh, that was nice. And if we just push A, it drops it like, it either releases like those turtles from over here, or it drops them on the 3, and then they try to defeat Mario. Oh, there it is. Now it's dropping. I want to drop as many as I can. And Mario's dead. So yeah, and guys, if you just like push a time once you're in here, you can change like the background. So guys, those are the Easter eggs that I know. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And goodbye from Tonk Nation.